Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a huge, massive, gargantuan, almost knocked it over, PR unboxing. I have not opened my PR in a while. You probably haven't seen it on IG story and you're probably like, girl, what's the new? Today I'm gonna be opening all the fresh new makeup that is launched. I'm so excited to talk about it with you guys, swatch some things, and then of course put some things in the giveaway box.
True with stars that they can grab on.
That's if you look over the last million years, I guess that's been largely true. Not always, but largely true.
Yes, do you think, huh?
She's a big fat hoax. She's a liar and she's a sick person, in my opinion. Really sick.
Yes.
Drsanje je moja strast, drsanje je moja strast, drsanje je moja strast, drsanje je moja strast, drsanje je moja strast.
Money gun, I got your name. Wow.
Dobar dan ponovno.
Sploh ne potrebujejo nobenih čipov, nobenega vezja. Potrebujejo zgolj kafe.
Genge.
Kadar jaz predsedujem, nehajte.
Yeah, strong woman. Hold on. I got your name. Wow.
U naših glavah smo slišali tektakanje nestočnosti, že misliti si ne morete.
Do you want to destroy humans? Please say no.
Okay, I will destroy humans.
No!
Buy it. Ice cream so good. Oh, thank you, baby. I love you. Yes, popcorn. Oh, thank you, baby. This is so cute. Oh, thank you, baby. I love you. Buy it. Yes, popcorn. Yes.
Don't forget to subscribe and just leave one comment down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!